What is up, Vinyl Takeover? Here is the raffle for Soul Coughing, Irresistible Bliss. Still sealed. We have, is it 9? 9 spots for this one. Doing Scrabble tiles. Appreciate everybody playing. I got the letters up on the original raffle post if you want to follow along. Last one out wins. Appreciate everybody playing. Good luck. Got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. First one out. We got the letter H. Letter H is one of Steven's 2 spots. Second one out. Got the letter B. Letter B is one of Tim's 4 spots. Ooh, damn, Tim, 2 in a row. Letter A. Letter I. Ooh, and that's Steven's spot. Thanks for playing, Steven. I appreciate it. Things looking pretty good for Tiffany right now. Letter E. It's one of Tiffany's. Letter D, that's one of Tim's, so Tim's down his last spot. And Tiffany has 2, down to the last 3. That's letter F, that is one of Tiffany's. We are coming down to a head-to-head finish here. Tiffany with 1 and Tim with 1. And the bridesmaid is letter C. That's Tim. Thanks for playing, Tim. I appreciate it, man. Winner is letter G. Letter G is Tiffany. Congrats, Tiffany. Shoot me a PM with your shipping info and I'll get this out to you tomorrow. Everybody, appreciate you guys playing. Hope to see y'all on future raffles. Take it easy. Peace. Enjoy your weekend.